Episode 2 of What's in the Bag.
So we've been to our friend and neighbour Antonio's place, and he has about 60 chickens running around wild in his gardens. And so he invited us to adopt some of his chickens. So we've gone, and it was a bit of a rabble to catch some. So we're not exactly sure ourselves just what's in the bag. So let's have a look. Hello, chicken.
There's one.
There's one. Ooh. So it's interesting to see how the chickens react to one another.
In fact, he doesn't look too impressed.
We have a brown hen that Luke has taken to calling Fatty because
Cock's liking it.
she eats everything she can find. It's not easy to see actually through here.
There's another one.
There's another one. Oh, it looks just the same as the first one.
That's good. It's a
gonna...
non-event so far, which is good. Oh! Oh!
Oh my goodness!
He's on it already.
The cockerel is mounting the chicken when she's just got out the bag, I think. He's trying his luck.
Well, he just wants to feel at home.
Yeah, cockerel's going to love this because we've got one, so far we've got 1 cockerel and 5 hens, and we've just brought home 6 new hens. Sorry, my camera work is appalling. What you got there? Let's see.
There's another one.
Oh, she looks just the same as the last one. It's not going to be easy to tell them apart. Luna, stop it. Luna's trying to burrow under the fence that we've put up around the...
Is it? Which one?
No, Luna is.
Oh, Luna.
Yeah.
There's another one?
That's the little one. They're all exactly the same. There must be, left must be that one I chose at the beginning.
Yeah, the ones in here, I think. The ones that you chose.
There are 2 left.
Oh, he's well happy. He's like, oh yeah.
Cockerel's got a bunch of more new women. It's actually their bedtime because the chickens actually go to bed. They go onto the roost as soon as the sun goes behind the hill. They like to start roosting. Look at Luna trying to get in the fence.
Luna, no! Don't let it do that. If you're chewing through the fence, it just caused a proportion.
I know, but that was for the video. Hello.
This is the one you chose. This one.
The last one. Yeah, every other one is identical. Hello.
Sorry. See, that one's got like black marks on.
Yeah, I like that one.
On the wings. There they are.
Goodness me!
They look alright. It doesn't look like they're too...
Oh, it's the cockerel trying to mount them. So, Antonio reckons that all of these chickens are laying already.
No, I'm not sure that's correct.
Oh no?
No. No, he was... Because the ones I was grabbing, he's like, oh, those are pretty young, so...
What, the ones that you put in the bag, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh. So there we are. We have 11 hens and a cockerel in...
Very happy cockerel.
Very happy cockerel. In Mandala number 2. We moved them this morning. Actually this afternoon, just around lunchtime. And they had prepared our last mandala, ready for us to go planting again. And they're in this new one where they've got lots to eat. And they're very happy. So let's hope that they all get on well. The first flock and the second flock. As one community of chickens. At Mandala.
Oh, I think that's it. Oh no, just trying again with the other one. Yeah, seems like the little white one is boss of this dome.